In this video, I'm going to teach you how to configure HubSpot to detect workflow anomalies and set up alerts. In order to do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot by going over to your settings, which is this gear icon right here. Now, once you're in there, you should be able to see all the settings that you have available. For this case, head over to notifications. Now, when you're in here, you can see all of this. So what we can do is we just need to locate the workflow option so you can get notified for that case. So continue scrolling down until you find it. Here is workflow. So for this case, you can enable this in order to actually enable custom notification from workflow tools. So you can enable pop-up, browser, but for now, enabled are bell and email. So with this, you can check the workflow logs from your automation, and you can also use or send internal email notifications using this way as well. So that's all there is today. If you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.